Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw Masha with the two bears. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw Masha. I start with her eyes. Then I draw her nose and her smiling mouth with her teeth. Then I draw the shape of her face, her hair, and her scarf around her head. Then I draw her two hands like this. Now let's draw a bear behind her on one of her sides. I draw his eyes, his big nose, and smiling mouth with teeth. Then I draw his face and the shape of his head with his two ears. Then I draw his body. Last but not least, I draw the female bear on the other side. I draw her cute eyes, nose, and her smiling mouth with her teeth. Then I draw the shape of her head with her ears. Now I draw her body. She is holding her arms like this. They look so cute! Fantastic! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, let's color Masha. I use cream for her skin. Then I use two green markers for her eyes. For her mouth, I use two different shades of red. I paint her hair yellow. Then I add a little light brown. Then I color his outfit with this marker. And I add a little blue here and here. Now let's color the bear. I use brown for his eyes. Then I paint his mouth light red. For his face and belly, I use this lighter tone marker. Black. Then I color her fur with this other brown color. Finally, I use this darker tone for her eyebrows and ears. Last but not least, I color the other bear. I color her eyes brown. Then I use a little light red for her mouth. I color her face with this light brown marker. And for the rest of her fur, I use this brown tone. Dark brown. Finally, add a little green in the background. Great! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.